Hello. So for those of you that don't know me, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Angelique Pye. I'm a local realtor here in the Houston area. Um, I service the suburbs or the outskirts. Um, I do a little bit in the city, but primarily I'm on the outskirts. Um, I've been a realtor for 6 years. I started when I was in Vegas. Then I moved here in 2020 and got licensed here and been working here since then. Um, so my specialties, I specialize in first-time home buyers, new construction, relocations, and VA. I also offer first-time home buyer courses. So if you are in the process or not ready to start your process but just want to learn more about it, or you're scared of the process because you don't know enough about it, I my courses would be perfect for you, just to give you some information about how the home buying process works, what the requirements are and everything like that, just so that you can kind of release some of that anxiety that you might have or fear that you may have of purchasing a home. So those sessions can be scheduled on my website. The link is in the bio. So that's a little bit about me. If you haven't had a chance to meet me yet, but on my Facebook page, I'm always posting, informational posts. And sometimes some of the things I try not to, I can't teach a whole class about a certain topic in a post. But my comments and my PMs, DMs are always open if you have additional questions. And again, you can always schedule a session with me if there's something specific that you want to know more about. So recently I've made a few posts this week, and I kind of want to elaborate on those. Sometimes it's quicker if I could just say it versus typing a whole long post. But one of the most recent posts that I made was about appraisals. So this is for your current homeowners and future homeowners, just so you know. When you purchase your home, your taxes are based on the price that you pay at that time. Now we all know we're buying houses as an investment. We love for the value to go up. Oh, I bought my house for this, but now it's worth that. It went way up. That's a great thing that your property appreciated instead of going down. The value is going up. Yes, that's exciting. What comes with that is increased property taxes. So every year, your property taxes are going to fluctuate. If your value goes up, so will your property taxes. So it's kind of like a bittersweet thing. But as long as you know that going in, you're okay. You don't want to be caught off guard or surprised when you see that your property taxes increase, because what happens when your property taxes increase, it also increases your monthly mortgage. If you have an escrow, and you will have an escrow unless you did a conventional loan and put down 20% or more. Other than that, you will have an escrow. Escrow is like a savings account that starts for you during your home buying process. After you close, every mortgage payment that you make, that payment, you make one payment, but then that payment gets split up. Your principal and interest goes to the mortgage company. The property taxes and homeowners insurance is going to go to your escrow account. Escrow is like a savings account. So property taxes and insurance are due once a year. You're making payments towards that every month, and it's just sitting in that escrow account until that due date comes. Escrow pays that for you. So because everything fluctuates, just like your auto insurance, changes when it's time to renew. Sometimes your auto insurance goes up. Same thing with property tax or homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance can also increase. So when that happens, it's going to increase your monthly mortgage because homeowners insurance is included in your monthly mortgage. So same thing with the property taxes, homeowners insurance, all of those can increase your monthly mortgage. The payment for your principal and interest is not changing. That's 30-year fixed or 15-year fixed, if you did a fixed loan. But the property taxes and the homeowners insurance can change your monthly payment. So when it's time to renew that policy for the next year, if your premiums go up, your monthly mortgage payment is going to go up because the premium is included in that monthly mortgage. Now, what you can do at that point, if you see, oh, it's gone up too high, I don't like that, you can shop around for insurance. You can change homeowners insurance whenever you want. That's not something that you're, bound to. So you can always change. So I recommend shopping around for cheaper insurance. Make sure you keep good coverage though. Don't sacrifice coverage just for a lower payment, because as soon as you do that, that's when something's gonna happen and you're gonna need your insurance, and you're gonna either have a super high deductible or not enough coverage just because you wanted a lower premium. So my advice is, when you are shopping for your home from the jump, don't max yourself out at the very beginning, because you have to plan for those increases, over the years. So be careful with that. Please don't say nobody ever told you. Yes, your property taxes will go up. Homeowners insurance can also go up. I'm not excited about mine this year. My insurance went up about $400, and I did call around to shop around, and nobody could beat that rate. So I just kept what I had, and so I'm not sure what's going on in the world, why insurance had to go up so much so fast. But what can I do? So my property taxes also went up, like a lot. Like, wait a minute now, a lot. So I did some research, did some digging. I pulled some comps, and I also looked deeper into my appraisal. What they sent me in the mail, what the county sent me in the mail didn't have this information, but I went online and I found it online. So my property was appraised as a 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath house. I don't have 5 bedrooms. I have a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath. So that's why mine went up as much as it did. I expected it to go up, yes, but the amount that it went up by was ridiculous. So I'm like, something is wrong, because I just know. So I did. I found that mistake. I found that error online. And the process for Fort Bend County is to appeal it. You have to go online and you fill out your appeal application, submit it with the evidence. I submitted the evidence because I pulled my comps of the 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath, same square footage, and I saw what they were valued at, and it was lower than mine. So that's what the issue was. And they were all nice homes. They were all comparable. But by them adding that additional bedroom and bathroom, yeah, we're not doing that. So I'm waiting on them to review my appeal, and hopefully, they knock off some of that. They lower that appraised value so that my taxes can lower a little bit too. Because the way that went up, it was too much. So I just encourage you all to please do your research. If you don't know what to look for, what you're looking at, I don't understand this, my clients, you can always give me a call. Anybody else, whatever realtor you use, give them a call, or call your lender. Have somebody to whoever got you into this, they need to help you through it. And I'll do that for my clients. They can always call me, hey Angie, I don't understand this. I don't want my clients to feel like, you know, I'm just getting them into a house and I disappear. I don't. I'm always still available, and you know, happy to help you research and answer questions for you. So that is a little about me, and I'm always keeping it real and telling you guys, you know, my personal experiences, so that you know that I can relate. I understand what's going on too. Even me being a realtor, it's just some things we can't avoid. I can't avoid, you know, my taxes going up. I bought a nice house and I keep it nice, and I'm always doing projects to, you know, make it nice. If I ever want to sell it, which I don't, I think this is my last house. I know that I'm going to be selling a really nice house, and I'll get top dollar for it. Nobody's going to play me. So, what else have I recently posted about? A zero down programs. So when you apply for a loan, my lenders like to show you your different options. They see how you qualify, how and if you qualify for conventional loan, FHA loan, any down payment assistance. So each loan is going to look different because they all have different, you know, different requirements, different qualifications. So each loan is going to look different. The down payment, the closing costs, the monthly payment, the insurance, everything is going to look different on each loan. So you have to choose which one you're most comfortable with. Sometimes the higher down payment with the lower monthly payment is more comfortable for you. Sometimes the lower down payment with the higher monthly payment is more comfortable. So you just decide wherever you're comfortable at. If you qualify, you know, for multiple options. When it comes to like USDA or, you know, any of those zero down programs, that monthly payment is also going to look different from you too, because when you're doing an FHA or a conventional loan, you're putting down a down payment. That 3.5% or that 3%, that's coming off of the price of the house. So if the house costs $300,000, you're not financing $300,000. You're taking a portion of that, which is about $10,000, and you're paying that in cash. So you're financing $290,000. And then maybe I think they have to add on some upfront mortgage insurance. So by using the zero down, you're saying, I'm not putting down $10,000. I don't have it, or I just don't want to. So I want to finance the whole thing. You got to understand that a payment on a $300,000 loan versus a payment on a $290,000 loan is going to be a little different, right? So if you're trying to keep your monthly payment at a minimum and you have the cash for your own down payment, use it, especially if you are already saving it for the house anyway. It's totally up to you, but just understand that, oh, when they showed me the FHA loan, the payment was only going to be this. So why is it this now? Using, you know, the zero down. Well, because with the zero down, you're financing the full purchase amount. So if the loan is higher, the loan amount is higher, the monthly payment is going to be higher as well. So I hope I made those clear. And of course, you guys can always reach out to me. As far as contacting me, what I don't like is, you know, I'll make a post and then someone will say, or will message me and say, oh, I want to buy a house. When can we talk? When I schedule phone calls, I literally put you on my calendar. So I'm not going to do anything else during that time. I'm calling you. And what I don't appreciate is people reaching out to me because they get excited. They see me make one post and all of a sudden, you know, they want to reach out. I take my time in my business very serious. I only work with people that are serious, that need to buy a house. and not just, oh, today I feel like buying a house because everybody else talking about it, and then tomorrow you back to, you know, not even thinking about it. But if we schedule a phone call, please be available, because I'm taking the time out of my day to, you know, sit and talk with you and give you the information that you need, answer your questions. So I've been having you know, quite a few of those no shows, and I don't like that. So I want to work with serious people that are passionate and that are serious about buying a house, even if you know zero about it, but you know it's something you want to do. That's who I help. People that are relocating from out of state, and they need to find a house. That's who I help. I don't, you know, I'm not here to convince people to move to Houston or to buy a house here. I'm here for the people that need me, that need to find a house. So again, as I say, please feel free to reach out. Reach out with the intentions of being productive, you know, making use of our time and not just wasting my time. I'm calling, you know, I put everything aside to call you and you don't answer. When you reach out, be sure that you're ready to follow through. That's just where I stand with this. And I haven't been posting a whole lot of YouTube videos because I think I just get tired of sitting here talking to myself the whole time. So I'm leaning more towards doing more lives. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start doing some lives versus, I'm gonna still do some YouTube videos, so you can always go back and watch it whenever you have time, but I'm not gonna do it every week like I intended to from the beginning. So yeah, I would rather go live so we can do, like, you know, question and answers. I can answer questions, like, you know, fluidly. So y'all let me know if that's something y'all are interested in. I'm happy to do that with y'all. It's more exciting for it to be interactive versus just me staring at the screen talking to myself. So I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to make those few points, and I look forward to speaking with anybody that is serious about learning how to buy a house, learning how to own a house. It's a lot of topics in my head that I want to share with y'all, but we just gotta find the right platform. So anyway, I'm Angelique. Contact info is in my bio. So I look forward to working with y'all, getting some of y'all moved in to your new homes in the spring and the summer. So y'all take care.